Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am great, thank you. I started something new this month, painting. I bought some brushes and colors. Now I paint every Sunday morning.
Painting? That sounds fun. Do you paint flowers, mountains?
A little of everything. Flowers, trees, the sky. It is very relaxing. It is my new hobby. Hobby. Hobby.
A hobby, something you do for fun in your free time.
Yes. And you, Jake, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like cook. I like read. I'm not sure how to say it correctly in English.
That is exactly our topic today. How to talk about your hobbies. What do you like to do?
Yes, I want to learn how to answer that question. People always ask me, and I never know how to say it right.
After today, you will answer it perfectly. But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. When someone asks, what do you like to do? How do you answer? You say, I like plus the verb with ing at the end.
ing at the end?
Yes, not I like cook, we say I like cooking. Not I like read, we say I like reading. Always add ing to the verb.
I like cooking. I like reading. Okay, that makes sense.
This is the basic pattern for talking about hobbies. I like plus verb with ing. Let me teach you some hobby words. First, cooking. You already know this one.
I like cooking. It is my favorite hobby. Pasta, soup, chicken. I cook every day after work.
Every day. That is wonderful. Next, reading. 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 Looking at books, stories, or articles.
I like reading. I read before bed every night. Novels, mostly.
Good. Next, painting. 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 Making pictures with colors and a brush. That is my hobby.
I like painting. Well, actually, I don't, but I can say the sentence.
Good practice. Next, hiking. 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 Walking in nature. In the mountains, in the forest, on a trail.
I like hiking. I walk in the park near my house on weekends.
Beautiful. Next, gardening. 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 Growing flowers and plants.
I like looking at flowers, but I don't know how to grow them.
That is okay. Not every hobby is for every person. And last one, photography. 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 Taking photos.
I like photography. I take photos with my phone. Sunsets, food, trees, especially food.
Especially food. You cook it, then you photograph it.
Of course. First I cook, then I take a photo, then I eat.
Now, there is another way to say the same thing. Instead of I like cooking, you can also say I like to cook.
I like to cook. Is that different?
No, same meaning. I like cooking and I like to cook. Both are correct. Both mean the same thing.
So I can choose.
Yes, you can use either one. I like reading before bed. I like to read before bed. Both are perfect.
I like reading before bed. I like to read before bed. They feel the same to me.
They are the same. Two ways to say one thing. Some people prefer one, some prefer the other, but the meaning is always the same.
Good. I don't need to worry about which one to use.
Exactly. Let me give you more practice. I say a hobby, you make a sentence. Use I like to this time.
Okay.
Swimming.
I like to swim in the summer.
Cooking.
I like to cook new recipes on weekends.
Hiking.
I like to hike in the park near my house.
See? Very natural. You can switch between I like cooking and I like to cook anytime. Now, what if you really, really like something, more than just like?
Like a lot?
Yes, we say I love plus verb with ing. I love cooking. That is stronger than I like cooking. Much stronger.
I love cooking. Yes, cooking isn't just something I like, I love it.
And there's one more word, enjoy. E-N-J-O-Y. Enjoy. It means I feel happy when I do it. I enjoy hiking. When I hike, I feel happy.
I enjoy hiking. The feeling is the important part.
Yes, but be careful. After enjoy, we always use ing. Always. I enjoy cooking, not I enjoy to cook.
Not I enjoy to cook.
No, never. I enjoy cooking with ing. That's the rule for enjoy. Like can use both. I like cooking or I like to cook, but enjoy only ing.
Enjoy is strict. Only ing. Got it.
So we have 3 levels. I like cooking, I love cooking, I enjoy cooking. Like is nice, love is strong, enjoy is about the happy feeling.
3 levels. Like, love, enjoy. I like that system. Let me try all 3. I like swimming. That's nice. I love cooking. That's very strong. I enjoy hiking. That makes me happy.
You got it. 3 ways to talk about things you like, each one with a different feeling. Now, what about things you don't like to do?
Things I don't like. Oh, there are many.
We say, I don't like plus verb with ing. I don't like running.
I don't like running. True, my legs hurt every time.
And if you really, really don't like something, very strong feeling, we say, I hate plus verb with ing.
Hate? That sounds strong.
It is very strong. I hate waking up early. That means I really, really don't like it. It's the opposite of love.
I hate waking up early. I agree 100%.
But use hate carefully. I don't like is softer. I hate is very, very strong. For most things, I don't like is enough.
So, I don't like cleaning is normal. I hate cleaning is very strong.
Exactly. Let me ask you, what don't you like to do?
Oh, where do I start? I don't like cleaning my apartment. I don't like ironing clothes. ironing. Ironing. Making clothes flat and smooth with heat.
Good explanation, Jake.
Thank you. And I really don't like waiting in line. It's so boring.
Nobody likes waiting in line. What about you? Any hobbies you don't like?
I don't like drawing. I'm terrible at it. I draw a cat and it looks like a potato.
A potato. Well, drawing takes practice.
What about you, Judy? What don't you like?
Honestly, I don't like cooking.
You don't like cooking, but I love cooking.
I know, and I love painting, but you don't like painting. We are opposites.
Your love is my don't like, and my love is your don't like.
That is what makes conversations interesting. When you talk about hobbies, you discover how people are different, and sometimes how they are the same.
Like us, we both like hiking and reading, but cooking and painting, total opposites.
Exactly. That is why what do you like to do is such a good question. You always learn something new about someone. Now, let's learn how to ask about hobbies. The most important question is, what do you like to do?
What do you like to do? That is the big question.
Yes, and you can make it even better. Add in your free time. What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time? That sounds very natural, like a real conversation.
It is a real conversation question. People ask this when they meet someone new, at a party, at school, at work.
It is a great way to get to know someone.
You can also ask about a specific hobby. Do you like swimming? The answer is simple. Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't.
Short and clean.
Let me ask you some questions. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I do. I like swimming in the summer.
Do you like drawing?
No, I don't. I'm terrible at drawing. My cats look like potatoes.
Do you like photography?
Yes, I do. I love taking photos with my phone.
Good. Now you ask me.
Okay. Judy, do you like gardening?
Yes, I do. I love gardening. I have small plants on my balcony. 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 The small outdoor space on your apartment.
Do you like cooking?
No, I don't. Jake, I already told you.
Sorry, I forgot. Do you like hiking?
Yes, I do. I like hiking on weekends. It's peaceful and beautiful.
One more. Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I do. I enjoy watching movies at home with popcorn. What about you?
I like watching movies too, especially action movies, with popcorn, of course.
Of course. See, we found something we both enjoy. Movies, hiking, and reading. Now, Jake, I want to hear your hobby story. Tell me about yourself. Use I like, I love, I enjoy, and I don't like. All of them.
All of them? Okay, let me try. In my free time, I like doing many things. I love cooking. It's my #1 hobby. I cook every day after work. I enjoy trying new recipes. Last week, I made Thai curry for the first time. It was spicy but delicious. I like reading before bed, usually novels or short stories. Sometimes I read for 1 hour, sometimes just 10 minutes. I like hiking on weekends. The park near my house has a beautiful trail with tall trees. When the weather is nice, I walk for 2 hours. And I like taking photos with my phone. I take photos of my food, sunsets, and flowers.
That is wonderful. What about things you don't like?
I don't like running. My legs always hurt after. I don't like cleaning, and I hate ironing. I really, really hate ironing.
You used every form we learned. Like, love, enjoy, don't like, and hate. That was perfect.
Now you, Judy.
Okay, I love painting. It's my newest hobby. Every Sunday morning, I paint with a cup of tea. It's my favorite time. I enjoy gardening. My balcony has small flowers and herbs. I like hiking on quiet trails. And I like reading, especially before bed, just like you. But I don't like cooking. I eat very simple food. And I don't like waking up early. I'm not a morning person.
We share hiking and reading, but cooking and painting, we are opposites.
Opposites in hobbies, but friends in English learning.
I like that, Judy. Different hobbies, same love for learning.
Time for a quiz. I will give you a sentence with a missing word. You fill it in. Ready?
Ready.
Number 1. I blank cooking every day. It's my favorite hobby. Use love.
Love. I love cooking every day.
Number 2. She blank hiking on weekends. Use enjoys.
Enjoys. She enjoys hiking on weekends.
Number 3. He doesn't blank running. Use like.
Like. He doesn't like running.
Number 4. What do you like blank do in your free time? Fill in the missing word.
2. What do you like to do in your free time?
Number 5. I enjoy blank books before bed. The verb is read.
Reading. I enjoy reading books before bed.
5 out of 5, Jake.
I like doing quizzes, especially when I get them all right.
Everyone listening, think about your hobbies. What do you like to do? What do you love? What don't you like?
Try to make 5 sentences. 3 things you like, 2 things you don't like.
I like swimming. I love cooking. I enjoy reading. I don't like cleaning. I hate waking up early. 5 easy sentences that tell someone about you.
And next time someone asks, what do you like to do, you'll know exactly how to answer.
That's right. You can also ask other people about their hobbies. Do you like cooking? What do you enjoy doing on weekends? These questions start real conversations.
And when someone shares a hobby with you, ask more. How often do you do it? When did you start?
Those are wonderful follow-up questions, Jake. Hobbies are the fastest way to make a new friend.
Because when you share your hobbies, you share a part of yourself.
I love that, Jake. Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we talked about hobbies and how to say what you like to do.
Yes, I like plus verb ing for things we enjoy, or I like to plus verb.
Good. And I love and I enjoy are stronger. Enjoy always uses ing.
And I don't like for things we don't enjoy. I hate for very strong feelings.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
Me too. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
Give this episode a like.
And share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what do you like to do in your free time? Use I like, I love, or I enjoy in your answer.
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye everyone, keep practicing your English.